Welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about the what are the different field of finance. So in different field of finance is a very basic thing. The academic discipline of financial management may be viewed as made up of five specialized fields. In each field, the finance manager is dealing with the management of money and claims against money. So for any organization, they have different objective and they do not face the same basic set of problems. So there are generally five recognized area of finance. In that first will be a public finance. Public finance means the central state and local government handle large sums of money which are received from many sources must be utilized in accordance with their policies and process. Government have the authority to tax and otherwise raise fund and must dispense fund according to their limitations. Also, government do not conduct their activities to achieve the same goal as private organization. So business try to make profit where the government will attempt and many social and economic objectives is there. So a specialized field of public finance has emerged to deal with the government financial matters. Second will be your security of investment analysis. Security of and investment analysis means the purchase of stock, bond, and other kind of securities involve analysis and techniques that are highly specialized, and investors must study the legal and investment characteristic of each type of security. Measure the degree of risk and how you have to minimize your risk and perform in the market. Usually, this analysis occurs without the investors having any direct control over the firm or institution with respect by the form of security. So the field of investment analysis deals with these matter and attempt to develop techniques to help the investors reduce the risk and increase likely return from the purchase of securities. Third will be your international finance. International finance is a very vast topic where the money is related to international term, where the money crosses international boundary, individual businesses and government must deal with the specific kind of problems. Each country has their own national currency. So international finance means it is related to the conversion of currency from one country to another country through the exchange rate. So in that, like US must convert dollar to France because many making able to purchase goods or services in Paris. Same thing, India is having rupees and US having dollar. So if US want to do the business with India, they have to convert dollar into rupees. So that is one will be the home currency, another will be a domestic home currency or domestic currency, another will be your foreign currency. So that is there the FEMA will come, foreign exchange rate. And the main thing, the most government has imposed restrictions on the exchange of currencies and these may affect business transactions. So government may facing financial difficulties such as balance of payment, BOP, that is deficit or surplus. Because if the country will do more export than import, then the country will be in surplus side. But if the country is doing more import and then export, that time the country will be in deficit side. So that is directly impact your balance of payment. So, or maybe dealing with the economic problems such as inflation or high level of unemployment. In these cases, they may require detailed accounting for the flow of funds or may allow only certain type of international transaction. So the study of flow of fund between the individual and organization across national border and the development of method of handling the flow more efficiency or properly within the scope of international finance. Fourth will be your institutional finance. A nation economic structure contain a number of financial institutions such as bank, NBFC, insurance company, pension fund, credit union. So these institutions gather money from individual saver and accumulate sufficient amount for efficient investment. So they are doing investment on the behalf of us or the customer. So without these institution, fund would not be readily available to finance business transactions. So the purchase of private home, commercial properties, facilities, and the variety of other activities that require organization that perform the financial function of an economy. Fifth will be your financial management. Financial management is the lifeblood of any business. Finance is the lifeblood of any business actually. Without finance, we can't start any business or any organization. So individual businesses face problem dealing with the acquisition of fund to carry on their activities and with the determination of optimum method of employment of funds. So in this, from where to get the fund and how to utilize the fund, all that, the main financial management, the finance manager main thing how to get the fund and how to you are able to achieve goal. So many tools and technique have been developed to assist financial manager to recommend proper course of action. These tools help the manager to determine which sources offer the lowest cost of fund and which activity will provide the greater return or invested capital. The main thing of financial management, how to minimize your risk and how to maximize your profit. So, the financial management is the field of greatest concern to the corporate financial officers. Will the major trust of the approach will still use in the studying finance. Overall, five field will be your public finance, SAKI, this SAKI summary, used in central state, local government, excise taxes and revenue, pursue non-profit goal, institutional, bank, insurance company, pension fund, and studies saving and capital information. Financial management studies financial problem in individual firm, seek sources of low fund, profitable business it is required, how to minimize the risk, maximize the profit, security and investment analysis used by individual and institutional investor, measure risk in security transaction, measures likely return, and international finance study economic transaction among nation, transfer of currency from one country to another country. So concern with flow among countries. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my video if you are new in my channel. Thank you so much.